Okay, hello children. Today we are going to learn to draw perpendicular bisector of a line. Okay. Now when we are saying perpendicular bisector, the word perpendicular means 90 degrees line and the word bisector means cutting into two equal halves. Okay, so perpendicular bisector means a straight 90-degree line which is going to cut another line into two equal halves. Okay, the sign for perpendicular bisector or just perpendicular is this. Okay, so let's start. First we need to draw a line of the desired length as per the question given. Here I will draw a line probably of 10 centimeters. Now when we draw a line, try to make sure that your ruler is aligned straight. Here is my 10 centimeter line from 0 to 10. Okay, once I have drawn my line, the next thing is adjusting my compass. Now when I take my compass, I have to, this is the starting point, this is the end point of the line segment. I keep my compass on the first end point of the line segment. Take a distance, this must be approximately half, so I will take a little more than half and draw an arc up and draw an arc down. Notice when I'm moving my compass, I hold it over here. These two bars are not to be touched when you are drawing arcs. The reason is this is to adjust the length, so never touch it. Now once you have drawn the arcs, keeping it here at this end point, carefully lift the compass and now keep it on the starting point. Okay, keep it on the starting point, putting pressure on this side. Cut the top arc and the bottom arc. Again notice I'm holding it only over here. Now with this I get 2 points of intersection. This is one and this is the other one. What do? I take my ruler and carefully align these two intersection points to the ruler and draw a straight line. This is my perpendicular bisector. If we keep the protractor and check, it has to be 90 degrees. Here you can see it very clearly, 90 degrees coming. Okay, at the same time, if you keep your ruler and check if it is, how much is the distance, notice exactly 5. I hope you can see it in the video. It's exactly 5 centimeters. So this is my perpendicular bisector. I can name my line segment AB. I can mark over here as O or C or X, whatever we wish to, or as per given in the question, and put a square over here. This denotes it's a 90-degree line and it's a perpendicular bisector. If you have any queries, you can surely call me and ask me, and hope you've learned to draw the perpendicular bisector. All the best.